Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Silverado LT double cab four-wheel drive, stock number Z7010A. Only 9,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the Silverado brand new, somewhat white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, plus you receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Silverado seat 6, cloth interior, split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it a perfect 5-star front and side government crash rating, trailering package, easy lift tailgate, and of course very clean with only 9,000 miles, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly four-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, large easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, perfect for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage underneath. Speaking of storage, dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding window control. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size four-wheel drive pickup. EPA average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of that tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7010A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.